This is a CFR storm chasing severe weather update. And now here is Damon Claud.
And good morning, everyone. I'm Damon Claud with CFR Storm Chasing, doing a severe weather update with you. Today, May the 6th, 2026. Had a severe weather risk last night down in Arkansas. We were watching that yesterday, did a morning video on it, did an afternoon text update. Late yesterday afternoon, we got a tornado watch that came out. Moderate and tornado watch. It wasn't a PDS or anything, but it was moderate risk across the board on that watch, and nothing happened. We had a couple of storms that formed. We were keeping an eye on it for you, and everything just kind of fizzled out. So another busted forecast. Again, you can add to our scoreboard here over the last couple of weeks. Well, it is May, and severe weather is going to happen. You're going to have forecasts that just bust out because of certain things that doesn't fall together for severe weather to take place, and we don't know that ahead of time. Sometimes it's nowcasting, and sometimes it just doesn't pan out. There's something there that stopped it from forming, and that's a saving grace for you all because nothing takes place, but you were prepared, and that's what matters. So, uh, severe weather may not have hit your backyard today, but it might tomorrow, and it may the next time the forecast comes out. Doesn't mean you don't need to take these forecasts seriously. Uh, you know, we can argue all day long. Are we a little bit aggressive on these from the Storm Prediction Center side of things as well? Possibly. But every forecast that we put out here, along with the Storm Prediction Center here at CFR, we've all been agreeing here together that, everything was there, especially the rest last week that included far west Kentucky up through Illinois and Missouri as well. That PDS tornado watch that came out, the cap just didn't break. If that cap would have broke, we would have had storms form. So mainly, take these forecasts seriously, even though nothing may happen this time, but it may happen the next time. All right, so what are we looking at today? Day one outlook for today, Wednesday, 5/6/2026. I have a level 3 enhanced risk down here, and it is a tornado-driven level 3 enhanced risk overall. We also have a level 2 slight risk that's covering parts of Mississippi over through Alabama, over into Georgia. A level 1 marginal risk that's covering up through Tennessee, Middle Tennessee, up through far south eastern Kentucky. We have that level 3 that's extending from Mississippi right here over through central Alabama. So that is where we will be watching today. Josh is actually going to be heading out early this morning to either Mississippi or Alabama. We haven't. He hasn't let me know exactly which one he's going to go to first. Probably being a little bit of both tonight. It's going to be an overnight event, or at least a late night event anyway. Not looking at getting a start on anything until after 7 p.m. ish at the earliest, maybe a little bit later than that, and it's going to go rocking and rolling through the night if this all pans out. So we do plan on being live today with Josh on the ground in Mississippi and Alabama for this tornado threat. So again, I said a level 3 enhanced risk tornado driven. So we have a 10% hashed out area here with this 10% yellow hatched out area. That 10% area means a 10% of a tornado within a 25-mile given point. That's a rather small area that we're looking at here, so that's pretty good odds of a tornado happening. This again, it's the same type of risk that we had, risk level that we had before the other day. Will it happen? Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. again, be prepared. Hatched out area, again, when we're talking about that hatched out intensity scale, that's that new scale Storm Prediction Center are putting out. When we're at level 1 intensity, we're looking at that EF2, low end EF3-ish. Tornadoes possible, certain EF0 and EF1s on the table. Outside of that area, in the brown there, we have a 5 percentile tornado risk on the 25-mile given point. It's still hatched, so that means that still we got that level, that EF2 to EF3-ish still on the table possible. And then outside of that, up into southern and eastern parts of Tennessee, you still have a level or a 2 percentile risk of a tornado within a 25-mile given point there. So that's something we'll also keep an eye on. This whole entire area this evening. Damaging wind risk, it's there, but as again, it's tornado driven today mainly. A little bit of hail threat, but overall, the threat that we're concerned about today is tornadoes. We have a 15 percentile damaging wind threat within a 25-mile given point anywhere in this yellow shaded area. 5 percentile damaging wind threat to severe levels in the 25-mile given point in that brown 5% area. All right, hail risk, 15% within a 25-mile given point in that hatched out area. We get the level 1 intensity. What's that mean? 2-inch hail possible in that. Let me a little bit more than that. Outside of that, just severe level hail within a 25-mile given point. In that brown area, we have a 5 percentile severe hail event possible within a 25-mile given point. WKY Tech Solutions over in Mayfield, Kentucky, tied us over there, hooked us up with a new system, as we all have been saying. You'll probably see it, a little bit of action tonight, as again, we'll be live covering the tornado risk down in Mississippi and Alabama. Live coverage tonight will start. We will keep you posted on a time for that to start if we do get storms to form. So again, Josh is going to be down there in the middle of it. We're going to have him on, and we'll be on live tracking storms as well right here on our YouTube channel. If you haven't followed us over there, go over there, hit subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. We're not one of these people that's going to charge you to subscribe. It's free. Go over and subscribe to us. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we do go live over there. And always, I will share the link here on Facebook as well for those of you that just have Facebook. That is all we have for your severe weather update this morning. We will have possibly another update tomorrow afternoon, either a text or a video, maybe a live. And then, if we get storms to form and that risk does pan out down there, we will be live again with Josh on the ground and tracking storms right here with our Radar Omega for as long as we need to be. So thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, stay weather aware. You have friends and family down there, share it with us. Share us with them. Make sure we're spreading out to our new areas that we are now covering. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll catch you on the next one.
Rides the storms out with you. CFR, formerly SWKSS, now covers a wider area than ever. When severe weather breaks out, CFR is here. Online and on the ground. Our severe weather update videos keeps you informed days in advance of severe weather. A CFR storm chasing severe weather alert signals a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening severe weather event, warranting heightened attention and caution. It is crucial to closely monitor our primary Facebook page and other media outlets for critical updates, and to have a NOAA weather radio readily accessible to stay abreast of rapidly evolving weather situations. Watch versus warning. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe thunderstorm with winds of 58 miles per hour or greater and/or hail of 1 inch in diameter has been indicated by radar and confirmed by weather spots. If outdoors, move indoors on its lowest level. Stay away from doors and windows. Remember that severe thunderstorms can do occasionally produce tornadoes. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should stay alert to severe weather information and possible warnings by following media outlets, internet sources, or NOAA weather radio for the latest severe weather information. A tornado warning means a tornado has been indicated by radar or confirmed by weather. A tornado is in progress. Take action now to protect your life. Move to a basement or lowest floor and interior room. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck. Take position for greatest safety by crouching on knees, head down with hands locked at back of neck. This should also be done kneeling against the interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you are in a mobile home, take action and move to a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you are in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Never take shelter under an overpass in a severe thunderstorm or tornado. Be ready. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my area? 1. Stay informed by using a weather radio, ORTV, and trusted online sources. 2. Have all medications and special needs ready to take to shelter with you. 3. First aid kit and disaster supply kit ready to take to shelter. 4. Knowing where you are going to take shelter well ahead of any severe weather, and make sure everyone in your family knows the plan and where that might be. 5. Have a flashlight and extra batteries. 6. Make sure all devices are charged and ready to go. CFR Storm Chasing would like to recognize WKY Tech Solutions for helping CFR with our new system and our IT needs. We would highly recommend them for any IT needs you may have. Located in Mayfield, Kentucky, find WKY Tech Solutions on Facebook or Google today.